Today I'm going to teach you how to earn loyalty points with American Airlines. If you're a frequent flyer or planning to travel more, setting up an AAdvantage account is essential because it allows you to collect points on flights, shopping, dining, and partner airlines that you can later redeem for free flights, upgrades, and other rewards. First, open your browser and navigate to aa.com. This is American Airlines' official website where you'll manage your account and bookings. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign In option at the top of the page and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, we'll create one in the next step. After logging in, direct your attention to the navigation menu and click on AAdvantage. This is American Airlines Loyalty Program, and it's where all your points will be tracked and managed. From the AAdvantage menu, click on Join AAdvantage to start the registration process for your new loyalty account. Now you'll be taken to a registration form where you need to provide some personal information. Fill in all the required fields, including your full name, home address, email address, and phone number. Make sure everything is accurate because this information will be tied to your account and used for important communications about your points and travel. Once you've completed the form, click on Create Account to finalize your registration. The system will process your information and set up your new AAdvantage account, which should only take a moment. Once your account is created, you're all set to start earning loyalty points. Let me walk you through the three main ways you can accumulate points with American Airlines. The first and most straightforward method is to earn on American Airlines flights. Every time you book and fly with American Airlines, you'll automatically earn miles based on the distance you travel and the fare class you purchase. The more you fly, the more points you accumulate, making future travel more affordable or even free. The second way to earn points is through Earn on shopping and dining. American Airlines has partnerships with various retailers, restaurants, and online shopping platforms. By linking your AAdvantage account to these programs, you can earn points simply by making everyday purchases at participating stores or dining at partner restaurants. This is a fantastic way to rack up points without even stepping on a plane. The third method is to earn on partner airlines. American Airlines is part of the Oneworld Alliance and has partnerships with numerous other airlines around the world. When you fly on these partner airlines and provide your AAdvantage number, you'll still earn points toward your American Airlines account. This flexibility means you can earn points on a much wider range of flights, not just those operated by American Airlines. And there you have it, you've successfully set up your AAdvantage account and now understand the main ways to earn loyalty points with American Airlines. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.